It's Endometriosis Awareness Month, and it's also International Women's Day on Wednesday. So I'm doing a special healing meditation on Wednesday evening at 7 p.m. Irish time to help you connect with your body's inner wisdom, whether you've got endometriosis or any other chronic pain condition. It's open to people of all genders, but it will be specific elements of it to people born female. Um, but I'm encouraging everyone to learn to love your own body, to care for your own body, and to pay attention to your body's inner wisdom. So, whatever's going on for you, rather than just hating it, being open to the possibility of an opportunity for deeper healing. This is in no way, shape, or form to detract from modern medical miracles, and always go see your doctor. But it can be really helpful to work with the body as a metaphor with different conditions. So if this appeals, email I want to love my body to eve@selfcarecoaching.net, and I'll send you the link to the live Zoom.